Hi there. This is Miss Patty from the Cybrarium. How are you? Remember I told you that we were going to be doing something special. We were going to make our own toys after we read our great book, Raybot and Weebot. Well, here we are. We have a toy making station that we have put together. And over here on this side are some of my robot friends that myself and some of my friends made. But today you're going to get a chance to take a look to see and think about some ideas on your design for your robot. So ready to begin? Let's go. Did you know that you had a lot of things around the house that you can use? Many things like markers and construction paper and maybe some styrofoam pieces or googly eyes, and you could collect even from the recycling bin everything that you think might be perfect for your very own robot. Think about the things that you can go ahead and put on it. You can decide to draw your own eyes, you can draw your own hair, you can just draw it all and make it all of your own, or you can add things to it. So what I have here is I have some googly eyes. I love googly eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and put one googly eye. Do you think it needs more googly eyes? Yeah, two. And maybe even your robot has, I don't know, 3 eyes, 4 eyes, a lot of eyes. Oh, this robot can see really well. Maybe it's a superpower it has. So 4, I'm just going to put 4 eyes down like this. And you know what I found is you can make your own arms like this. So what you do is you take, this is already folded up, you go ahead and cut a piece of paper like this out, you fold it back, fold it in like an accordion, fold it back, fold it my way, fold it back your way like that, and then, oops, you get almost an arm. You can always do it again. Keep folding. Make sure it's nice and tight like that. Press in, and then like that you get it to come out like this, like an accordion. So I would get, I'm going to put them on each side, get a piece of tape. There's one. And then it's kind of facing that way, right? So it's kind of like the arms are going that way. I'm going to do it so that the arm on this side can also kind of face that way. Sort of like it's saying hello. Might be even asking, might be giving a hug, who knows. But it's facing, there we go, this way. Maybe it's clapping its hands. Oh, it's above the eye. Put it down a little bit. There we go. After we went ahead and added the arms, I went ahead and put some antennas for the robot so it can have communication with outer space and all the satellites and everything else wonderful that's out there. And also I added a mouth, and there is the robot. So you can make it look like anything that you'd love. I'd love to be able to see your robot one day. And stay tuned for the next toy making session. Hi everyone, it's Miss Patty from the Cybrarium. How are you today? I remember when I read Raybot and Weebot, I showed you the back of the book. And on the back it showed a picture of the 2 robot friends, Raybot and Weebot, and it said love family. Their friendship, it was like family. So what I'd love for you to do is I would love for you to upload on the Cybrarium Facebook page pictures of you with your designed robot, and maybe with your family and with your friends, and maybe it would be more than one robot. I would love to see a picture of that. Please send it in. Thank you.